In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can connect Spotify to Discord on mobile. So the process is the same for Android and iOS, so I'm just going to get straight into it. The first step you need to do is tap on your profile icon at the bottom right. Then you can see you have a couple of options, and one of the options is connections. And now you can see I have a connection on my profile, and this is my YouTube channel connected. So to add Spotify, all you need to do is tap on add at the top right. Then you can see you can connect all these services, and one of the options is Spotify. Tap on Spotify, and now you will just have to log in with your email address or username and your password. So I'm going to go ahead and do that now. So I've gone ahead and entered in my details. All I need to do is tap login, and now you can see it says connected your Spotify account to Discord, and it's that simple. So if you got some value out of this video, then I would appreciate it if you smash that like button and consider subscribing, because I'm uploading how-to videos about social media and your favorite apps every single day. So with that being said, I'll see you in my next video.